Well, we got something from the big Jeff. Yeah, baby. What is in here? We have a lanyard from the Jeff. We have packing information or something. What is that? I don't know what that is. And this is the thing we're after. And this is a open box SPL meter, the mini meter. Two. Let's see what else is in here. Anything else in here? Nope, that is all of it. All right. So in the package, we got this cable here. We got power connector here. We got the battery. We got this little guy here. And we got the meter here. And that's the jam, baby.
And I'm running from the feds, right?
My lowest voltage was 12.4, 148.9 at 31 hertz. That's my best number so far, and I got that on the, I get that in the kick. I can also get it on the glass. It's the same number. It does not change. Same frequency, same everything. So, we're gonna move forward. See what else we can do. Alright guys, let's see what we get at 31 hertz on the glass. And here's the voltage. We got it set to peak hold.